Okay. Alright. Gonna show you guys. Oh shit. Alright. I'm gonna show you guys how to install SOUNDFONTS into FL Studio. So first you wanna get your the sound font that you want. So I'm gonna pick SGM for this one. Actually no, I'm gonna pick the Earthbound sound font. So you're gonna want if you want the Earthbound sound font, then you're gonna if you actually want the Jesus Christ. If you want the Earthbound sound font, you're gonna have to search Earthbound SF. Okay, Earthbound SF2, and Earthbound SF2. Get out of this room. Earthbound room. I don't care if it's your room. Okay, whatever. So basically, Earthbound SF2. You're gonna want to click on this one right here. So, find hold on. No, not that one. If you want the real Earthbound sound font, you're gonna want to type there. Okay, so you can just skip this part, I guess. But it's gonna take you to Google Drive, and then you're gonna download it. Look, I already have the sound font, but you're gonna wait for it to download, and then you are going to open up FL Studio. Just gonna. Okay, I don't. So you're gonna wanna that, do that, and go to this right here, and then go to this plus button and click that, and it's gonna open up this menu right here, and you're gonna want to find Sound Font Player, which is right here. So this is gonna be opened up, and then you are going to if your sound font is on this screen, which it is right here. If it's not on this screen, then you're gonna want to open up Google and minimize the screen and go to your downloads, and since you go to your downloads and find it's gonna be at the top, but since I downloaded this 5 months ago, yeah. So you're gonna want to drag it to this, and you now you have the Earthbound sound font. So yeah. And then there's this. watching, Riker? Riker, can you like get out of this room?
No.
I feel like you can do that.
No!
Well, can you stop watching? Well, can you stop watching that?
It's just my room!
Oh, can you stop watching that? Can you stop watching that?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
This is my room!
Okay. I can be in here. Alright, guys. So sorry, my brother just crashed out. Ugh. So yeah, there's a whole list of sound fonts that I downloaded, and then there's this. And then if you want to install FLPs, well, just like go on YouTube and find whatever like FL Studio song you want to find, and I'm picking Death by Glamour from Undertale. Search, and then yeah, find this. This one's a good one. So good job on this guy. Good job. You're gonna want to go to this and go to that, and then like download it, and then it's gonna be in your downloads, and you're gonna go to you're gonna like click on that file, and you're gonna open it up, like so, like you're gonna click on the file, okay? And I already downloaded it, so I can just go to Documents, Image File, FL Studio. No, not mobile. FL Studio, Projects, and yeah, I can just find my yeah. So then you have like this, and if you don't have all the VSTs, you can always install them like I did. So I feel like the only VST you want to install for this is oh, shut up. Like, credits to Storm Studios for this, by the way. So you're gonna want to install that thing, the synth one, and then you're gonna wait for that, and then so if you don't have it, if you don't have synth 1, you can install it, and then because if you haven't installed synth 1, it will sound something, this part will sound something like this. But if you did install synth 1, it would sound something like yeah, it would sound something like this. And you're also gonna want to install this. If you want like these things, and then so yeah, and yeah, like I said before, credits to Storm Studios for credits to Storm Studios one for this. So yeah, subscribe to this guy because FLP. subscribe to that guy. And then like you can find the FLP there. Yeah. See you guys later.